Colpac is an award-winning designer, innovator and manufacturer of food packaging. We export to over 60 countries worldwide, providing a range of compostable and recyclable solutions to the global marketplace. Colpac is very committed to applying the circular economy principles into the design of all of our packaging. The main way that we do this is through our design and through our sourcing. So from a design perspective, we take an eco-design approach. We're constantly lightweighting, looking for new materials, reducing the amount of materials that we use in our packaging. And we're also making sure that we're designing with end of life in mind. So we go to the end point of where our packaging will end up and we work back from there, making sure that it's working and fitting with waste management and processing systems in the UK, but in the 60 countries that we export to worldwide. There's a really interesting trend towards fiberization despite some rising costs with EPR. There is a huge amount of power in using paperboard as your packaging material. We might be biased, but we fundamentally believe that every material has its place within the packaging ecosystem, and fibre has a really important role to play with that. It's renewable, it's recyclable, there's some amazing things that you can do with transparency and traceability. We can trace our products right back to the tree that it came from. Having that kind of open, transparent system for a packaging material that then goes out all over the world and touches millions of lives, it becomes a really, really important material. And there is so much innovation that is also happening with paperboard that makes the future of fiberization really exciting. EPR is a really spicy issue at the moment. It's also the biggest piece of packaging reform that we've seen in about 25 years, so it is causing a lot of waves in our industry. There is a lot of confusion, there are a lot of issues that still need to be ironed out, but there is also a lot of support out there for businesses. We as a company are really dedicated towards helping our customers to understand EPR. That's something that we really value, and that is the expertise that we hone within our business, is to be able to support our customers with understanding the intricacies of EPR. If we don't know the answer, we will do our absolute best to find out that answer. But there are also other bodies out there that are set up to be able to help companies to understand their obligations and to tackle some of the key issues that are coming up. Trade associations as a starting point, also the Environment Agency, PackUK as the scheme administrator. That's a really exciting and evolving body. I currently sit on the steering group for that body, and we're looking to see how we can provide more support to the industry to make sure that we're all meeting our obligations and that no one is free riding. And then finally, there's lots of other exciting collaborative movements and organisations that are springing up. Colpac was a co-founder of the new Alliance for Fibre-based Packaging. We launched officially in February, and this organisation is really about unifying the voice on fibre and bringing together the entire supply chain so that we can work together on understanding and promoting and advising on really key issues like EPR. There'll be lots of challenges along the way to doing this, but we're really dedicated as a business and as an alliance more widely to making sure that we can support manufacturers, retailers, waste management reprocessors in improving recycling rates and really driving ambition. PackUK is also, as the scheme administrator for EPR, is also a really exciting and important organisation that we're seeing really flourish this year. It's growing and evolving. We're seeing committees coming out of PackUK as well, looking to really bring in industry and increase the expertise around the process of EPR. And that group is really looking to see how it can have the biggest impact in guiding this scheme forward and really achieving its ultimate objectives to improve recycling rates in this country. There is a lot of conversation about packaging reforms at the moment, but net zero is still a really hot topic and a really important issue that's very close to my heart and to our hearts as a business. We're now entering into the 4th year of our net zero programme, so into our 4th year of carbon footprint calculations, and we've been doing that in partnership with an incredible organisation called Inspired. We also set our net zero targets in October 2023 and had 2 of those targets validated by the Science Based Targets Initiative. We have achieved a 22% carbon reduction between year 2 and 3, and this is really thanks and testament to the incredible work of our teams to improve our data collection and to bring down our emissions internally. At Colpac, we pride ourselves on being a small but mighty enterprise. We are committed to working with our customers to deliver value and to support them with developing recyclable paperboard packaging solutions that support the circular economy.